Hello, welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing. And in today's video, I got some more B and C case Hot Wheels. Yep, I went back and found some more cars. The first car, which I was most excited to find, the Golden Nugget Fiat 500e. Let's open it. And here it is. This is the same livery that the Fiat 500 Modificato came in last year. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. But this one is actually the car of the Super Treasure Hunt. The next car, pretty exciting for Malaysians. Brodan Saga. Yes, I managed to find the white one. Let's open it. And here it is. Now currently on my YouTube channel, this is the most famous Hot Wheels. The red edition of the Proton Saga. And actually today I saw in the store that they got C-Case. And they had a Proton Saga. I wanted to buy it, but the store had it for way too much money. Yeah, I can see it in my collection. The red one, of course. And now the blue one, the white one will be added in. And the next car, which we haven't seen in Manuals, is 2023 1980 El Camino. Let's open it. And here it is. Now this car is very beautiful and very interesting. Nice livery. And the next car is a very interesting car. 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Let's open it. And here it is. This one comes with front headlights, which is very interesting. No rear head, no taillights, but it's got a very interesting livery. You know, to help people. Yeah. And the next car, which is one of the laziest casting out there. X34 Wild Speeder. I could replace this with a 2023 one and you still couldn't tell which one is you. Yeah, now let's open it. And here it is. Oh, wait, did I grab the wrong one? Maybe it's this one. No, I'm kidding. This is the 2023 edition. Yeah, the white one is actually the new one. So let's move this old one out of the way, just to check whether it says T3. Yeah, it says T36. So yeah, this is a 2025 one. Yeah. And the next car, which I don't have in my collection, it's a pretty cool car. 55 Chevy. Let's open it. And here it is. Now this, I found later on in a different part of the store than all of these. All of these I found, there was like 4 dump bits full of B and probably C case, but all the good C case cars were taken. Yeah. And we have 3 more Hot Wheels left. But let me get this out of the way. The Vanisher. Why did I buy this? Because it's an art car. And I wanted to complete the 2025 art cars. Just like I did with 2024 art cars. Now, let's open it. And here it is. It's a very interesting van. Wow. It's got a full glass throughout. Yeah. So, we have 2 cars left. So we get them out first. I'm gonna do this one first. 94 Audi Avant RS2 from the new 70s versus 90s series. I got one already. I think it's the Honda Civic EF. Yeah. Now let's open the second one in the series. And here it is. Now I don't know what this color is. It's in the middle of like big brown and big red. Yeah. And the last card, which is supposed to be the treasure hunt, super treasure hunt for BKs, but it's not. Unlucky. It's the regular. I actually saw like 3 of these in the dumpies, but I decided to grab one to fulfill my super treasure. I basically, last year, collected all 15 of the main ones, but 0 super treasure hunts. So hopefully I get at least 1 super treasure hunt. So yeah, let me stop rambling and now let me open this casting. And here it is. Pretty cool variation. This is definitely in second place right after the olive green one. I really despise that color. Yeah, and that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully for C or potentially even DK scores. Yeah. Bye bye.